I think that we internally have reached where our capacity to grow. And so that's why we're reaching out. They sent me a video, I think on YouTube for My Amazon Guy, and I got to watch. I was impressed by it, and I decided that we should come on board.
How'd you hear about My Amazon Guy?
I was watching a couple of YouTube videos and that's how I came across it.
The videos on YouTube, very helpful.
I really like the videos that I see on YouTube, really engaging and helpful. I did see one of the SOP videos, actually, the phase one. It has those step-by-step, what to do, what not to do.
I've been looking at Steven's videos online and, he gives a lot of knowledgeable information now for free. So I'm like, okay, maybe we can, do something with his company and see where we can go from there, because trying to grow and, thank God we've been growing at a decent rate. We're ready to take the next step to see that exponential growth.
We recently purchased a company, me and my business partner. The deal came with an Amazon account. The contract we had was contingent on obviously him facilitating us and helping us get our first orders out and showing us the lay of the land on Amazon, because I have absolutely no clue how to operate an Amazon store. And he got his money and then completely ghosted us. So I'm like, well, crap. I'm like, who the hell? I've been watching some of my Amazon Guy YouTube videos. I'm like, I got to schedule a call with these folks because
We knew about the need to engage professional company like My Amazon Guy. We saw some videos at YouTube when we had some challenges, issues, so it helped.
As I said before, you learn a lot from My Amazon Guy YouTube videos, and you always find an answer there.
Steven is really good about creating YouTube videos and then, all different topics and stuff like that. So it is a wonderful, wonderful educational opportunity that you're not going to get anywhere. Think of it as like a opportunity of a lifetime. I don't want you guys to ever miss it.
I've had some roadblocks in the way because I'm a reseller of goods, and it's just, you start searching on YouTube, like, hey, where do I go from here? And I guess, the Amazon Guy, he has a lot of stuff out there in a sense, a free resource, etc. I just want to sustain my business, and Amazon has a lot of changes going on. It's just like having somebody who's aware.
I haven't heard anything about what you guys do. I just watched one of the videos on YouTube and thought maybe you guys could help us. And so we just wanted a little bit of guidance on like, maybe there's something we're missing, because once we obviously make this change, it's forever. And I don't want to make the wrong decision with our brand.
The reason why I found you guys was I was on YouTube, just kind of analyzing all the different things, like just trying to get myself smarter on customer acquisition cost. And just, we have a business on Amazon, I'm trying to triple the business. And so I was just looking at who's out there talking about it, and I found you guys on YouTube. And I think I must have clicked on something because I saw it on YouTube, watched multiple videos.
I've seen My Amazon Guy on YouTube. Yes, the videos before, but recently I have seen so many advertisements from you, so I have so many problems. I thought maybe I'll give it a try.
Yeah, it's just quite common in Amazon, right? It feels like they're making it hard for everyone.
It was at the right place at the right time where I clicked on the YouTube video and I saw everything. And that's actually why I said, hey, okay, let's talk to you guys.
Well, I appreciate you doing that. And we did that for free. So imagine, you hired us.